to how to build your brand with influencers and get results. Here, I'm going to expose you to 5 steps, an overview, and the 411 on influencer marketing and getting clear on the type of influencer that you want to be or the type of influencer that you want to work with. Whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a blogger, whether you're a coach, or whether you're a brand and you want to build and create your brand with the community, how to find influencers, where you might find them on different platforms, as well as phenomenal platforms on where you can create campaigns, where you can list yourself if you're an influencer, where, speaking of which, how to create and grow campaigns, and how to set up the metric matters so that you know that your campaigns are working. So let's get into the behind.
We have the chance to actually build our own businesses as influencers. You'll have the chance.
What feels like promoting perfectly and authentically. So here's the sneak peek, so enjoy.